how to fix the missing ad location features in TikTok video. Hi guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the missing ad location features in your TikTok video. But before that, please click the subscribe button for more other tutorial videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. And then, scroll down until you see the apps and permission. Click on it. And select the app manager. And from this list, scroll down until you see the TikTok application. If you see it, click on it. And in here, select the storage. You can see on the screen the buttons Clear Cache and Clear Data. Click both of them. Click OK. Next, go back to the TikTok settings page and click on Permission. In this, make sure that all permissions are enabled. After checking it, restart your phone. Once your phone opens, click your TikTok app and set up your TikTok account. After you log in, try to make a video by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom center. Click on Upload. After that, tap on Next. Now, you can see the ad location features. So that's it for our video tutorial. If I help you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.